Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Dodge Challenger louder. Start by inspecting your exhaust and noting leaks, muffler type, and pipe diameter so you know what to replace. I'll walk you through simple bolt-on options, how to pick a resonator or muffler, and what to expect from each change. This guide keeps safety and legality in mind while helping you get a deeper, fuller exhaust tone. Swapping bolt-on parts is the fastest way to change your Challenger's voice in a single afternoon. I'll explain how muffler swaps, catback systems, and resonator changes each affect volume, pitch, and drone. You'll learn which choices give a throaty rumble versus an aggressive bark, and how to balance sound with comfort for daily driving. I'll also cover basic fitment tips so parts made up without cutting or costly modifications. For bigger gains, consider headers, high-flow midpipes, or active valve systems that let you switch between quiet and loud modes. I'll describe how each mod changes tone, back pressure, and potential power gains without getting overly technical. We'll also touch on tuning needs after hardware swaps and why a proper tune prevents check engine lights and can improve throttle response. These steps are best done with shop help if you're unsure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.